What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I want to first off by thanking all of you guys who have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for me. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up in the future for you guys and you don't want to miss out. So today we're kind of doing a recap and a update to my last video that when I installed the SeaLight LED headlight bulbs. I get a lot of questions on how well they're holding up and why I chose the ones I chose. First off, guys, I want to tell you, these are the ones that you definitely need to get. Now, I've gone through about 5 or 6 different bulbs before I ended up with this one. So I wasted a lot of time and a lot of money trying to find the right one. I'm going to explain to you guys why I chose the ones that I chose, and I'm going to be showing you guys why you definitely don't want to buy these other headlight bulb versus this one. Also, some of you guys have been having some issues with the performance of the SeaLight LED headlight bulbs. Some of you guys are saying that they're flickering on and off, or there's a lot of dead spots. All I can say about that, guys, is parts fail and things break, okay? Especially when you're dealing with electronics. Luckily for me, I haven't had any issues with mine. I've had mine in my Highlander for over a year and I have 0 problems with mine. But like I said, guys, these things are gonna break. All I can tell you guys is that I get a lot more positive feedback than negative about these headlight bulbs. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so here on the table, I have some headlight bulbs that I had bought before I ended up with this guy here. This is the SeaLight. This is the one I have in my Highlander. This is the one I showed you guys before. This thing is amazing. It's been working fantastic, and this thing will keep the OEM dust boot cover and not have to go aftermarket. When you go with these other bulbs that have the big motor like this, it's not gonna work on these Highlanders, guys, because on the Highlanders, as you know, if you have purchased these, you're going to be returning these because they don't fit really well and you have to get an external boot on the headlamp. You can't utilize the OEM dust boot cover that seals the headlamp properly. Once you remove the boot cover, you're going to notice that the headlight is not in the center of the headlamp, which makes it a lot harder for a lot of the bigger bulbs to fit up there. So when you get a bulb like this that has a big motor on the back, it kind of makes it difficult to fit because it's also hitting up here on the plastic. Now let me see if I can go ahead and get this one to line up and slide in. These make it a lot difficult because the housing is rubbing against this housing, which makes it harder. Now I got it in, but the problem is now you're gonna have to get a different boot because now this is not gonna fit past the headlamp bulb because the bulb now is actually sticking a little bit past the actual headlamp itself. So you need to buy a rubber boot that goes over. But also these get hot, so that now you're gonna risk the chance of it melting the outside of your headlamp as well. The reason why you want to go with the SeaLight is because these actually are like the OEM. So they go in real nice and easy. Get your bulb, plug it in, tuck this down here, get your boot. Alright, guys, so like I said, I'm not going to show you guys a before and after because I showed you guys that in the last video. I'll put that up in the links up here where you can go ahead and watch that and kind of see the before and after on how well they perform. I'm also going to put the links in the description of these SeaLights in the links in the description below on where you can get them. You can buy them in just the low beam, or you can buy the low beam and the high beam in a set. And there should be a coupon where you guys can apply a coupon code where you guys can save a little bit of money. Also, I want to thank you guys again for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.